In the last fourth para of at the high school, we have known about the carelessness of participating gymnastics and cricket. Then to serve his father, he took excuses from the classes, and we know about Gandhiji's remission of fines in the fourth paragraph. The fine was exempted when his father wrote himself to the headmaster that he wanted Gandhiji at home after school. Now let us go to the para fifth. But though I was none the worse for having neglected exercise, I am still paying the penalty of another neglect. I do not know whence I got the notion that good handwriting was not a necessary part of education. But I retained it until I went to England, when later, especially in South Africa, I saw the beautiful handwriting of lawyers and young men born and educated in South Africa. I was ashamed of myself and repented of my neglect. I saw that bad handwriting should be regarded as a sign of an imperfect education. I tried later to improve mine, but it was too late. I could never repay the neglect of my youth. Let every young man and woman be warned by my example and understand that good handwriting is a necessary part of education. I am now of my opinion that children should first be taught the art of drawing before learning to write. Let the child learn his letters by observation as he does different objects such as flowers, birds, etc. And let him learn handwriting only after he has learned to draw objects. He will then write a beautifully formed hand. This paragraph was about handwriting. Listen. But though I was none the worse of having neglected exercise. So जदियो doing exercise, even though I was neglected in doing exercises, I am still paying the penalty of another neglect. I am still paying the penalty means your fine. से कहते मैंने एक्सरसाइज जदि मैंने प्रदर्शन मैंने शो करवा पार्टिसिपेट करवा हिज पार्टिसिपेशन एत भी इम्पोर्टेंस तांके फील करथिले जे भाबु नथिले फर्स्ट कहथिले जे जिम्नास्टिक्स एंड क्रिकेट आर नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ लर्निंग क्लास 2 से बुझले जे दीज आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ द करिकुलम ऑफ मेंटल ट्रेनिंग still से कहते okay I am still paying the penalty of another neglect. I do not know whence I got the notion means धारणा idea. Notion means idea. I got the notion that good handwriting was not necessary part of education. In the previous paragraph he understood that gymnastics and cricket are not the part of education. In this paragraph, Gandhiji thought that handwriting is not the part of education, not necessary to education. But I retained it. Retained means upheld. But I retained it until I went to England. I returned it. Gandhiji retained it. It means the notion. What was the notion? The notion was that the good handwriting was not the part of education. से नोशन टाको से until I went to England को जीवा पर्यंत से चिंताधारा ही थिले जे को चिंताधारा good handwriting was not the part of necessary part of education. Then when later, especially in South Africa, particularly, especially means particularly in South Africa, I saw the beautiful handwriting of lawyers, young men born and educated in South Africa. What did he see? The beautiful handwriting of lawyers. South Africa, right? In South Africa, Gandhiji saw the beautiful handwriting of the lawyers, the young men who were born and educated in South Africa. And there he felt inferior, that he had no proper handwriting. So he was ashamed. I was ashamed of myself. He was ashamed of himself and repented of my neglect. Repented means feel ashamed. अनुताप करिबा से निजर handwriting जो अन्य तुलनार inferior भाबिले. He thought that, he felt that his handwriting was very lower than, not perfect in comparison to South Africans. Okay, when he saw the beautiful handwriting of lawyers, young men and young men who were born in South Africa, he got ashamed, felt ashamed and repented for his handwriting. I saw that bad handwriting should be regarded as the sign of imperfect education. I saw that he saw that bad handwriting should be regarded as a sign of an imperfect education. Sign of an imperfect education. So बुझुछन्ते कोन गोटे bad handwriting imperfect education को one type of माने objectives लक्षण कहले चले. से कथा से सेठ बुझिले गोटे साउथ अफ्रिका रे. I tried later to improve mine, but it was too late. Everything in life has a time. ठीक समय जो आम कम करवानी राइट रिजल्ट मध्य पाइबार आशा मध्य करें. तेणु कहूँ इ ट्राइड लेटर टू इम्प्रूव माइंड. आई ट्राइड when he felt inferior, when he felt repented seeing the South African lawyer and young men's handwritings. At the time he tried to improve his handwriting, but that was too late. I could never repair the neglect of my youth. Let every young man and woman be warned by my example. So let every young man and woman be warned. Satarka. Gandhiji stood here as an example. Why? He has no good handwriting. He understands that good handwriting is the necessary part of education. Good handwriting is the necessary part of education. See, Gandhiji said, let every man and woman be warned, be alerted. By my example, and understand that good handwriting is a necessary part of education. I am now of the opinion that children should first be taught the art of drawing before learning to write. What Gandhiji said here? Gandhiji opined here that children should first be taught. What should be taught? The art of drawing. Before learning to write. चित्र आंकिबा एगुड़ी जिनस जाक शिखा कथा माने द आर्ट ऑफ फ्लावर्स, बर्ड्स, डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स before learning to write. Let the child learn his letters by observation. Let the child learn by observation. What they observe, what they see. Just मैंने देखुचंती feel करुचंती what they feel. पिला माने ओडि कहउची let the child learn his letters by observation as he does different objects. They can do flowers, birds, animals. What they see and feel they can do. And let him learn handwriting only after he has learned to draw objects. Let him learn handwriting. Let the child learn handwriting only after he has learned to draw objects. चित्र सब आंकिबा सरला after drawing the different kinds of objects by observation, children can learn the handwriting. Then he will then write a beautiful formed hand. सुंदर हाथ लेखा गोटे से मैंने formed hand ही पारिबो से गोटे form means जोटा कि हमरो mad. So what about the para 5? Para 5 was about handwriting. First of all, Gandhiji had a notion that good handwriting are not the part of education. When he went to South Africa and he saw different beautiful handwritings of lawyers, young men, others, he repainted that, and there he thought and got the idea what the role of handwriting in a proper education. Then Gandhiji addressed it to the children and so made an opinion to the children that children should first learn the letters by observation before they learn how to write. So in the first paragraph we have noticed about the rewards. Second paragraph caption punishment or games. Third headmaster पर कहला. Fourth carelessness तांकर जो फिजिक्स माने हमरो जिम्नास्टिक स्पोर्ट्स जो केयरलेसनेस रहतिला. और फाइन जो when his father wrote the letter to the headmaster सेतबे फाइन मध्ये रिमिशन हेतिला. फिफ्थ पैरा वाज अबाउट हैंडराइटिंग. सिक्स्थ पैरा में नेक्स्ट क्लास रे पढिबा. थैंक यू.